Yeah. So also, Harmeen, have you revised any of the previous chapter for your test?
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you have
Previous
any
chapter
doubts?
like
By the time others
triangles.
are joining, we can discuss the doubts.
Yeah, ma'am. One doubt is there. That 1 minute I will wait. Actually, it's my own practice paper from my school. It's like a exam for exam only. It's a worksheet. So
Yeah.
in
Okay.
that one I have
What is the
that
question?
1 minute. Yeah, I remember it. If two in a triangle,
Okay.
yeah, one angle is 55 degree.
Any of the angle.
Yeah,
Okay.
and the another one is any of the angle is 75 degree.
Okay.
And any one of the exterior angle on any vertex is 120 degree.
Any of the vertex is 120 degree. Okay. So what is the
Yeah,
question?
exterior angle, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Exterior vertex. Okay. So find the third angle. It's just easy, I know that, but I don't know, like I'm not able to find this third angle by some properties.
See, finding the third angle is easy. Not just easy. Basically, why have they given this exterior angle? Finding the third angle, you can just directly use the angle sum property. You can write 55 degree plus 75 degree plus the third angle
Yeah,
is equal to 180 degree, right? So
yeah,
55 plus 75 gives you 130 degree. So x is equals to
yeah,
50 degree.
yeah, ma'am.
Is
So
also
there is no, yeah, there is no connection with the exterior angle there.
no, there is no connection with exterior. Are you sure
Mm.
this is only the question?
Yeah, ma'am. Exterior
Okay,
angle
then
is
check.
there, but like there is no figure given. So I was confused, like where to write this, where to draw exterior angle, like beside 75, or we can
There,
draw the vertex of C, near the vertex of C.
I guess this 120 degree does not, this exterior angle. Harmeen, do you have the answer for this? Do you know that 50 degree is only the correct answer?
No, ma'am, I don't have that answer actually. But I tried that. I was trying with this one, ASP means angle some property.
See,
I
the
got
thing is
50
that
degree, but
if
still
we,
I was confused with exterior angle.
yeah,
Why
exactly,
it
because
is different.
in this question, what we have is, we are given with the triangle ABC and we have two angles, 55 and 75. And if only this is the question, okay, and we have to find the third angle, so we get 50 degree because 55 plus 75 is,
Yeah, the 130.
yeah, 130 degree. But if you see, this exterior angle cannot be true if this angle is 50 degree. Like, this
Yeah,
cannot be the value for any of the exterior angle, because see, if this is the triangle, this is 55, 75, and this is 50. If I draw an exterior angle over here,
yeah,
okay, so what is this angle now? This should be the sum of 55 and 75.
yeah,
The exterior angle property is that the sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So this should be 130 degree. Now, if I draw an exterior
yeah.
angle over here, so this angle should be 75 plus 50 degree. So this becomes 125 degree. And if I draw an exterior angle over here, so this becomes 55 plus 50, which is 105 degree. So I don't think any of the angle is
What do you
the
think?
exterior angle. None of them
Yeah,
is 120. So I guess there's some issue in the question. It should not be 120 degree. It can't be. It's not possible. If you have these values,
yeah,
55 and 75, then none of the exterior angle can be 120.
yeah.
Okay, any other doubt you have?
Yeah, ma'am, I have a doubt. It's like that. It's on triangle only. That, but it's not a question. It's just a figure, and we have to find the value of x. I don't know, like how to send you that one.
You can just
1
send it
minute.
to the team. You can click a photograph. Please send it
Okay,
to the
1 minute. I
team.
will send.
We'll
I will
forward
try
it.
to send. Done, ma'am. I have sent.
You send it to the team.
Yeah, ma'am. Because like it's not a that's not a question. It's like a figure, and it's asked that compute the value of x, and there are two exterior angles, so it's like a bit confusion.
Hermine, the team will forward me that. They are taking a little while. They are unavailable right now. We can do one thing. We can start with the next exercise. I'll clear your doubt in today's class only. Don't worry. Okay. Before leaving the class, I'll clear your doubt. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Manha is also here. So Manha, do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please put on your camera.
Just a second, ma'am.
So in this class, we have now last exercise of exponents and powers, which is some of the examples using laws of exponents. So first of all, like for example, you have a question which says that you have to write 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, taking base as 2. So how do you write it? So first of all, please pay attention. So
Yeah.
8 into 8 into
I'm
8
just
into 8.
gonna get the charger.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Manha. Manha, please be ready before the class time. Okay, it's already like you are 20 minutes late, and you should be ready at by. You should be punctual. Okay, Manha.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I came late from school.
Okay. So over here we have to write 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, taking the base as 2. See, so 8 into 8 into 8 into 8, you can write as 8 to the power 4, right? But now this over here, the base is 8, but we need to write the answer where the base is 2. So how can you convert 8 to 2? Is
We'll
there
do
a
practicalization.
yeah, so how can you write 8 is equals to 2 to the power what?
3.
3, very good. 8 is 2 to the power 3. So instead of 8, I can write 2 to the power 3 and power 4. 4 shall remain as it is. So now I have 2 to the power 12, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So this is how we can do such questions. Now there is a question where you have to simplify 3 upon 3 to the power 7 upon 3 to the power 2 multiplied with 3 to the power 5. Okay, please pay attention. So first of all, what you'll do, solve what is inside the bracket. So over here, what is inside the bracket? 3 to the power 7 and 3 to the power 2. So it becomes 3 to the power 7 minus 2, right? It becomes
Five.
minus 2, so 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. So you have the same base, so you'll just add the powers. So 3 to the power 10 is your answer. Next question is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 5. So over here, what you can do is you have same base over here, right?
Yes.
So what is the answer
Yeah.
now? 2 to the power
Uh, 5.
5.
5 multiplied with 5 to the power 5. Now you have different bases but the same power. So what you can do? When we have different bases, what we do?
We put the bases, the power as it is, and we'll multiply the bases.
Very good. We multiply the bases. So what is my answer now?
10 to the power 5.
10 to the power 5 is my answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Next you have 6 to the power 2 multiplied with 6 to the power 4 and divided with 6 to the power 3. So over here what you can do, first you solve what is inside the bracket. So what does it become?
6 to the power
6 to the power
6.
8.
No, 6. 4 plus 2
6.
only. Divided with 6 to the power 3. So 6 to the power 6 divided with 6 to the power 3. What does it become?
6 to the power 3.
Yes. Because we subtract. When it is in division, we subtract. When it is multiplication, we add. Now 2 to the power 2 whole power 3 multiplied with 3 to the power 6 multiplied with 5 to the power 6. First, what we'll do?
We will open the bracket. So 2 to the power 6
Yes. Multiplied with?
into
3 to the
3 to
power
the
6.
power 6.
Yes. In
Then
to the power 6. Now you have same powers but different bases. So what do you do?
we will multiply the bases. So it is 6 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6 and uh, that, 30 to the power 6.
Yes, very good. Understood? So this
Yes,
was just a revision of the previous exercise. Now we come to the next exercise, which is expression of the large numbers in standard form. So what is the meaning of standard form? So for example, you have, let's suppose you have very huge numbers or very small numbers. So let's say you have 5985.3 and you have to express this in the standard form. So what is the standard form? See, whenever I have a huge number or a very small number, what do? I like there is one decimal. So I now to express it in standard form, I should put the decimal number after the first digit only. So what is my first digit? It is 5. So my decimal should be shifted to 1, 2, 3. 3 places it should be shifted. So my answer becomes 5.9853. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now I have shifted the decimal place. So there should be some change. But I cannot directly write this. So what is my change? if I will shift the decimal number, I will have to multiply it with 10 to the power the number of places I have shifted. So how many number of places I have shifted? 1, 2, and 3. So I do 10 to the power 3. Understood?
Yes.
By 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, by 10?
Because this is a rule. Because you multiply it with, like, you can also say 5.9853 multiplied with 1. Then how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So 100 is 10 to the power 3 only.
Okay.
Okay. Let's suppose you have 65950, and now you have to write it in the standard form. So how do you write it? You put one decimal after 6, so you have 6.5950. Now, what should I put? 10 to the power what? See, when there is no decimal, that means you count from here only. So 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. 4. Okay.
Okay.
So next is 3430,000. Okay, Harmeen, tell me the answer for this one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3 point,
Yeah.
3.43 0000
So
into 10 to the power
3.430000 into
into 10 to the power 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 into 10 to the power
1 to
6 you have. Okay.
6.
So now my answer becomes 340. See, when there are like a lot of zeros on the trailing end, you just don't write those zeros. You just write 3.43 into 10 to the power 6. Now you don't need to add these zeros. You can remove them also.
Yes.
Okay. So your answer is 3.43 into 10 to the power 6. Clear? Then next question
Yes.
is 70,040,000, and 0. Okay, Manha, tell me the answer for this.
First we'll put a decimal point after the 7.
Okay.
Then 70,040.
No, after, if there is a decimal, you don't say 70,000, you just say 004. 7.004 you say.
Okay. Then into
Yes.
10 into 10 to the power 10.
10 to the power. How many you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 to the power 10 you have. Okay. You don't need to write. See, why have I written these zeros and why have I removed these zeros?
Because it's after the 4.
Yeah, they're after 4. Okay. And so 7.004, and the after 4 zeros I can remove, but I cannot remove zeros between 2 digits. I can only remove trailing zeros. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next we have like writing the following numbers in the expanded form. So what is the expanded form first of all?
It's according to the place value.
Yeah, it's according to the place values. 1 second. I'll give you the question. So let's suppose 279404. You have to write this in expanded form. So please listen carefully. What do? I write 2 multiplied with 10 to the power what? 1,
1,
2.
2,
How many digits are there after 2? How many digits? 1, 2,
5,
3, 4, 5. So 2 into 10 to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 to the power what? How many digits are there after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4
4,
plus 9 into 10 to the power, tell
3,
me, 3
3,
plus 4 into 10 to the power
2,
2,
2 plus 0 into 10 to the power,
1,
okay,
how,
plus
uh,
4 into 10 to
10.
the power,
Why 10 to the
0.
power
10 to
2?
the power 0.
10 to the power 0. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
why to the power 2 and 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 1.
See, we need to write them in expanded form. So how do I write 2? If you consider the usual expanded form, so how do you write? You write 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 7. You write the place values like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know this is the expanded form? But
Yes,
now
ma'am.
we are a
Yes,
bigger
ma'am.
class. So we don't write this form. What do? We convert them in the exponential form and we write them like this. So 2 into 10 to the power 5 I'll write. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
3006194. Tell me the answer for this, Harmeen.
Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 6. 3 into 10 to the power 6
Okay. Plus.
plus 0 into 10 to
See,
the
0
power
you can
5.
remove also.
Yeah.
Okay. Remove the 0, remove the 0. Don't write it. Come to 6.
Yeah. 6 into 10 to the power 3
Okay. Plus.
plus 9 into 10 to the power 2.
First is 1 into 10 to the power 2.
1
Then.
into 10 to the power 2. 9 into 10 to the power 1. Then 4 into 10 to the power 0.
Okay. Now next. Manha, tell me 120719. How do you write this in expanded form?
Um, 1 into 10 to the power 5.
Okay.
Then 2 into 10 to the power 4. Then 7, 10 to the power 2. No,
Yeah.
2. Then 1 into 10 to the power 1 and 9 into 10 to the power 0.
Okay, very good. Now we come to the reverse of this thing. Like I'll be giving you the expanded form and you have to write the short form for that. Okay, so let's suppose you have 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. So please listen very carefully. When we have to do this such questions, you try to write it from the backwards. Okay, try to solve this question from backwards. So first of all, what we have, I have 5 into 10 to the power 0. That means what is the place value of 5?
Uh,
That's from the
1.
right side.
Last digit
1.
only. There is no number after 5. Then there is one number after 4, so that is 5 only. There are two numbers after 0, that is 4 and 5 only. Three numbers after 6, 0, 4 and 5, and four numbers after 8, so 6, 0, 4 and 5. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'll give you both one each question. So Manha, you will tell me this one.
Okay.
Yes, Manha.
Yes, ma'am. The first is 2,
Okay.
then 3.
Why 3? You see, there are two numbers after 3, but there is only 2 over here. See,
Just
you need to see that all the numbers are being written in consecutive way. Like 0, then there should be 1 before 0, but there is 2. That means you need to put a 0 now. Then you write 3. Now
then
after 3 it should be 3. Yes, it is 3. So you write 5. After
5,
3 it should have been 4, but it's not 4, it's 5. So what you do?
0.
Yeah, now you write 4.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it is yes. How do we do this one, Harveen?
Yes, ma'am. First will be the last digit will be 5.
Okay.
Then 0. Then 2.
It's 7.
Oh, sorry. 7. Then 0.
Okay,
Then 3.
very good. So These questions you'll be able to do. Next is express the following numbers in the standard form. Okay, so express in standard form. Like first one I have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do you do this? I'll write one question for both of you. So this question is for Harmeen. Next question is for Manha. 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Do it, Harmeen and Manha. Quickly, you have to express them in standard form. Have you both completed? There will be different tests.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the first one. Parmeen, tell me.
Uh, 5, ma'am, was it expanded form or this one? Standard form.
It was standard form.
Uh,
5
standard form.
into 10 to the power what?
Okay, ma'am, that one, okay.
How many zeros are there?
5 into 10 to the power 7.
Okay. And second one, Manha?
7 into 10 to the power 6.
Okay. Please just give me a minute. Analyzing data. No. The main idea of sheet finding it. Okay. So next we have 390,878 and 390,87.8. See,
Ma'am, is it expanded or standard?
expanded only. I'm sorry, standard only. So first one, like third one you have is, you do 3.90878. Okay. How many digits are there after the decimal? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 places you've shifted. So it becomes 10 to the power 5. Okay. And next one is 3. Now this here the decimal place was not there only. It does not exist. So you can just directly put a decimal here. But here there is a decimal place after 8. So how many places are you shifting? 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Right. So it becomes 3.90878 into 10 to the power 4. You understand why here it is 10 to the power 5 and here it is 10 to the power 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have okay, the next question is you have to express the numbers appearing in the following statements in the standard form. Like the first is A part is distance between Earth and Moon is 384,000,000 meter. Okay. So distance between Earth and Moon is now, how can you write it? You have to write it in standard form. So you can write distance between Earth and Moon, Earth and Moon is, tell me what is the standard form for this?
One,
So 3.840000.
3 into 10 raised to 7.
Then
3 into
10 raised to 7.
what? Where did 8 and 4 go? Where did
Okay,
8
ma'am.
and 4 go?
384 into
1, 2,
10 to the power
10 raised to 6.
Um, I told you
3, 8,
standard form
4.
is putting the decimal after the first number. What is the first number? It is 3. So you put the decimal 3.84 multiplied with after how many places? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
6, 7, and 8. So into 10 to the power 8 it becomes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'll share a few more questions. I'll share a few more questions with you. Just give me 1 minute, then you can do that
Okay.
with you for the questions. Yes. Okay. Okay, is the screen visible to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here are some of the questions, and you have to express these questions in the standard form. Okay. So, like the fourth question, you have all the following parts. Please express these. First one we have done. We have done the first one. Please express these all till the J part.
Okay, ma'am.
Manha, can you tell me that is visualizing solid shapes there in your syllabus?
Sorry, ma'am.
Is visualizing solid shapes there in your syllabus?
Let me check, ma'am. I don't know.
Please check it and tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you repeat the lesson?
Visualizing solid shapes.
No, ma'am.
It's not there in your syllabus.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Please continue your work. Harvin, did we study visualizing solid shapes? Have I completed that chapter with you?
Yes, ma'am, we did, but it was there in my old test, means old exam, half yearly.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so Manha. And what about Harvin?
Ma'am, I'm in F1.
Okay, please quickly do it, then we'll complete. Manha, have you also written the statements or you've just written the answer? You have to write the proper statement the way I solved.
Yes, ma'am.
You've written the statements?
Just till the E. Just till the E.
Why E? I have marked till J.
Okay, ma'am.
Harvin, there's one more thing. Can you tell me that did I complete rational numbers with you?
Yeah, ma'am. And it wasn't there also in my any syllabus.
Is it
We
there
did
in
not
final
cover.
exams?
Final, no, it's not there. For final also, it's not there.
It is not there for finals. Okay. Do you both have your final exams date sheet? Like what all chapters are coming?
Yes, ma'am, it's there, but like it's there in my school diary. But some changes will be made after near the final exam.
Okay, what about you, Manha?
Yes, ma'am.
You have it?
You mean the date sheet?
No, no, not the date sheet. I mean to ask the syllabus for your final exams.
Yeah, ma'am, I have.
So after the class, please positively share the syllabus for your maths exam, the final exams, whatever portion is coming with the team. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, there are 3 numbers. Which number should I send?
Um, I'll ask the team to contact you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Manha, you?
Just a second, ma'am. I go to washroom.
Okay, fine. Please quickly come back. Then we'll discuss the answers with you. Okay, Harmeen, we can discuss the question. I just received the question from the team. So you have to find the value of x in the question, right? So the question
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
basically, this is the figure. Here it is 120 degree. Here it is x. Here it is 110 degree. So see, Harmeen, what you can do to find the value of x, you can use the angle sum property. But for angle sum property, you need this angle and this angle also, right? So is there a way to find these both angles?
Yeah, there is a linear pair.
Linear pair. So this angle becomes 60 degree because 120 plus 60 is 180,
70.
and this angle becomes 70 degree. So now you can do x plus 60 plus 70 gives you 180 degree, right?
Yeah, yeah.
60 plus
Angle
70
sum property.
is 130.
130.
So x becomes
Then
50 degree. Understood?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank.
Yeah, you're welcome. So we come to shall we discuss the answers now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
please listen very carefully. First of all, the answer will be the speed of light in vacuum is this one. So this becomes 3 into how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Please keep responding. Are you getting the answer correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For this one, it will be 1.2756 into then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 to the power 7 meters.
7.
For the third one, it will be 1.4 into 1, 2, 3, 4,
9.
6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Do
8,
it.
9, 10, 11. So,
11.
no, just write 10. 10 into 10 to the power 10 stars. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can also write 10 to the power 11 stars directly. Okay, both the answers will be correct. Next it is 1.2 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 years old. Next it is 3 into 10 to the power 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18,
20.
20. 3 into 10 to the power 20. Okay. Then it is 6.023 into 10 to the power 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 20
22.
molecules.
22.
Okay, Earth is, so it becomes 1.353 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 to the power 9 cubic kilometers. Okay, this one becomes 1.027 into 10 to the power 3,
3.
9. Okay,
9.
Yeah.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so we are done with this chapter. If you have any doubts from this chapter, then please ask me.
No.
We have a little bit time, so please do these questions by the time. You have to expand the following and express them as a power of 10. Okay, do these.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss. First of all, you have 1.72 into 10 to the power 2, right? Then
Yes,
next
ma'am.
you have 5.643 into 10 to the power 3. Next you have 5.6439 into 10 to the power 4. Next it is 1.76428 into 10 to the power 5. Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. So I hope these questions
But ma'am, it's said to do expand.
Oh, it was expand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
my mistake. So expand, I think you must know, like 172 can be written as 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So these questions I'll give you as homework for expansion.